Little fucking windbreak. Look at that.
Right it.
Very good. Sweet.
It's a bit of a laugh, isn't it?
That's it.
Something to wake the brain up
That's it.
before having a coffee and a
Probably a poo.
bowl of beans and some poo, yeah. Yeah, not for breakfast, just, you know.
Lunch prep?
Yeah, little lunch prepped, ready to go. The daft thing is we've changed the plan and we're going to try and walk up that, doesn't look very massive hill, but it actually is quite a big hill. But let's have a little, yeah. So it's not crazy steep, but it gets really steep right at the top and there's like a boulder field. And we'll have a canoe on our shoulders. It definitely doesn't look as steep in the camera as it does up there.
It's going to be out of a trudge.
Probably worth it, because it saves us basically having to go all the way back down this lock, round the corner, as beautiful as that is, round the corner, walking off up a hill, and then like all the way behind this mountain to get to the same spot essentially. So I think that's the plan, isn't it? We're off to do a poo, we're off to do a poo, we find a rock to squat behind and do a little poo. There's one. I couldn't find my actual shit trowel, so I ended up taking my daughter's toy trowel. Kids. Yeah, cheers, Rosie. I mean, it's done the job. It's pretty robust, not gonna lie. Seems to be working. Dirty buggers. Right, straps. So, okay. Where your shoulders are going to be. Oh, I know what I did. Fuck, that's what we fucking did, mate. Through the fucking ropes. Send it through the rope. Make sure we get the same one on both sides. Otherwise you'll be walking wonky. Oh, that's a thing of beauty. I reckon that's going to be alright.
I'll try that.
Let's give it a go, shall we?
At least that's nice and soft.
Yeah.
Nice.
So having travelled over 25 kilometres the day before, all we had to do was move the canoe about 4 kilometres to a stash point. But little did we realise just how steep it would get on the upper slopes of Gorblock Moor. Then the plan was to finish with a gentle stroll back to camp via Scotland's most remote Munro, which of course was totally obviously going to be a piece of cake.
In the business, we call this foreshadowing.
Hold on, it's a bed. Hold it. Give yourself a nice little spot.
Yeah. Is it? After a while. It's alright. Oh, I don't know actually, now you're in. But if anything, that's good.
It's pretty good, isn't it? Alright, we've done a little trial run. Took us 2 minutes. And then we need to make it all the way to the base of the hill. And then try and find our little path up, which is going to be interesting. Yeah, it's quite steep. Some idiot planned this whole thing, I suppose. Absolutely stunning. See you in a bit. Right, off we go. Nearly forgot the boonie hats. Had to go back for them. Boonie hats and moustache. Can't beat it, winning combo. Camp's all the way down there. We've made it a good way up. But we do still have
A hefty chunk.
to go. Let's see if I can zoom. Yeah, we gotta make it up into the valley up there. Doesn't look too steep for this bit now though. And then I think it's gonna get proper steep at the top of the valley, and then there's a lot of rocks and stuff to climb, so we'll see how that goes. Right, we're doing a job on it. We're doing a job on it, mate.
Getting there, eh?
We're getting there. Let's have a look down the valley. Can barely see camp. There. Doing pretty well, but we still a good amount to go. We got to get all the way up there still, but it's looking a bit easier going, not quite as steep, so hopefully we'll make some good time. Probably not going to film quite so much because it's a pain in the arse.
It is. Stop and start.
Yeah. All right, mate. Should we get back on it?
Yeah.
Right, Paul.
Larry.
To me, mate. To me.
You, yeah.
Well, we're doing it. We're nearly there. We're not filming too much because it's steep as hell. It's so hard. We're doing like 50 meters at a time, and yeah, we're obviously quite a long way up from the tent now. It's getting rather technical, but we've got about, I think, another no more than 50 meters in altitude to gain to get to the first lock, which is hopefully just over that stream up there. So yeah, a little bit more. Oh yeah, zoom in, look. That stream there, little waterfall. So we're gonna go up to the left. Yeah.
And then we're off.
We're off, and then we're off to the top of the Armageddon, or whatever you call it. All the way up there somewhere.
And then we'll back to the bloody...
Yeah, and then wallop down to the tent. Right, sports fans, we made it up to the top of the massive hill, except we discovered that it's quite hard to walk around the edge of the lake, so we're gonna paddle with our hands because we didn't bring any paddles with us. Oh, but the wind's already doing it for us. We just go sideways the whole way.
Yeah.
Be fine.
We just set an alarm.
Yeah, yeah. Have a little nap.
Yeah.
Be fine. Yeah, so we're going to cross the lock with our hands, and obviously the water is icy cold, so we're looking forward to that.
Good recovery.
Yeah, grand stuff. But the wind is doing a hell of a job already.
It is.
Give it an hour, we'll be at the far end. Oh, here we go. Tip the fucking canoe edge up.
I can take...
But it's doing it.
We're motoring.
We're fucking flying along. Oh, there's a rock underneath. Oh, shit. Oh, we cleared the rock. It's fine. Right, here we go. Let's cross the lock. We're getting there. We are getting there. You did a few strokes on the left jack.
What that?
Turn this round a bit, mate. It is bloody cold. My hands are freezing. We did line the canoe across the bank a little bit because it was a little bit... We got a little bit slow at one point. The wind's picked up again. We're back in after an impassable boulder, and we are nearly at the hardest section of cliff, well, not cliff, hill, that is deep. I just have to, we've got to go all the way up there. Take us in, Jackie boy. This is the worst canoe trip I've ever been on. Hardly any canoeing.
Yeah. Go on a hiking trip with a canoe.
Yeah. There we go. This is a bloody beautiful beach.
Oh, the water's warming up nicely.
Is it? You've done it, sir. I declare this beach canoed. Oh, fuck. Thank you, mate. Much obliged.
No worries.
I feel like a tourist getting off a boat in like Vietnam. Like, thank you. Here's your 20 fucking rupees or whatever. That's not Thailand, is it? Oh man, we've got there now though. Jeez. All right. Beautiful. Beautiful. Who on earth thought it was a good idea to bring a canoe up a mountain, eh?
Daft buggers.
managed to make it from all the way down there. We've come up along here, and then we've walked all the way up. So yeah, down there Tom's getting some water, and then heading up there. The summit is on that bit, so we're going to try and go up and along this way. Keep it diagonal so it's not too strenuous down here, because this is very, very difficult, but we're nearly done, so psyched.
We're nearly done, mate. A deer. Oh, a whole fucking herd, look. Didn't even notice. They do see me now. Yeah, pop your head over, mate. Yeah. Oh, there's loads down there as well, look.
Right then, Tommy boy.
When the shoulders get a bit sore and the rocks have gone away,
We're send it in the canoe. This is much more efficient. What's the problem, officer? Oh, no. He's lost all his bits. He's lost his bits. Majestic. The flexibility on the boy.
Oh shit.
Steady on there. Oh dear. We've come down from, we can't even see now. It's like up over, like down in there somewhere.
oh, I wonder if it's worth looking over this little edge here to see if it's down that way.
Yeah. Need to check over there to see if there's a way down that's not deadly. So, see you in a bit.
There we go.
Done.
Done. We've deposited the canoe.
Aye.
A boulder halfway down the hill. Hopefully tomorrow it's just a drag and a tug.
Yeah, should be alright.
Should be right, shouldn't it?
Yeah.
Back up here tomorrow with the big packs.
Yep.
Drag the bastard down on the water, across the lock, base camp by lunch.
Solid.
Maybe a bit later. But I think that walk will probably, I mean, what time did we leave this morning? It was like 11, was it?
I'm gonna say 11ish probably.
Yeah. I think it was 10 to 11 or something. So it's taken us 5 hours, but we've had to stop for, I mean, we've probably used like over an hour of stoppage time.
Yeah.
So tomorrow with a bag, should be able to keep trudging a little bit more.
Yeah.
Should be a bit quicker. I reckon 3 hours.
Yeah.
Down
Should be
to the
alright,
lock.
shouldn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Not as heavy, eating all the food and that.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there'll be another dinner and another breakfast gone.
Mhm.
We could even eat another beans breakfast to do it. Or we could save it or whatever.
Yeah.
Alright. Have a little gander. Woo! The canoe is down over the hill somewhere. Right then, we've got a bit of a media blackout going on since we last touched in. We got the canoe halfway down to the lock, and then we decided that it was going to be a great idea to climb one of the most remote Munros in Scotland, I believe, which is Armageddon or Armageddon or if I can get on, mate, or something like that. Not sure. So yeah, we did that, but we were hanging out our arse, like thinking we were dying. So that was up way up there, 967 meters. We're now on our way down. Jackie boy's on the lead, following the rocky footpath. It's quite steep. Yeah. You wouldn't want to fall down that way, at least.
No.
Yeah, very sore legs. Yeah. I'll send it into You've Been Framed if you do. Sick. In the, well, beautiful weather that we're experiencing. Head below, what was it called? Rub Stub Moor or something or other, that next one over. skirt around, rub-a-dub-dub, and then back down to the lock, back to camp, have some dinner. We'll see you down there. And yeah, basically I think what we're doing, mate, is heading back to that track, and I think we possibly go all the way over there before heading down the next valley. I'll have to check the map, but I'm pretty sure that's roughly the manoeuvre. Yeah. So keep on plodding, I guess. Ready for dinner. 6:30 already. We started at 11, so we've had a fair day so far. Go on, sploosh it in, sir.
In here. It never gets on.
Good brown. You love a sploosh, don't you?
I'm absolute sucker.
I'm not sure. I don't know what's wrong with you. The sploosh meister.
Just brilliant.
That was a good sploosh. Yeah, thanks. It was a proper like. Here we go, the turning point. Oh my lord. It's gotta just be downhill now, surely.
Look at that.
Just stunning, isn't it? It's just stunning. Absolutely knackered. 7:04. Yeah, 7:30 back at camp, hopefully. Absolutely starving. Another boulder. There's so many sick boulders. Look at that rock. I mean, it's absolutely shred your fingers to pieces.
Yeah.
Oh,
Really interesting
bow tie.
pockets and
Yeah.
edges and stuff.
Yeah. Look at this massive jug. Even massive a jug. Loving it. Right, let's keep cracking on, mate. We're getting there. Crikey O'Reilly.
Wow.
Holy moly. That is a hell of a view. Alright, let's do it. Oh, right, time to cut off the path, and the tent is all the way down there. It's a long old way still. It's probably about 2, maybe 3 kilometres.
Really good effort today.
Here he comes. Stag and deer on the hillside. But it's working quite well. Well done, sir.